On the last two episodes of Real World Rides, Honda Talon Tucson, we've gone from introducing the 2019 Honda Talon 1000R to our couple Brent and Haley getting their first impressions of the vehicle from a real-world owner's point of view.
Shifted a lot faster, revved a lot higher, and got us where we needed to go. I thought it was great. Having all the different transmission options is really cool. Everything seemed to work great, and the looks of it are cool.
I think it's easier to get in and out of, much roomier.
And we had a great time adding a bunch of cool accessories. All right, so we had a pretty awesome day and night with the modified Honda Talon 1000R. After your first impressions, thank you very much for giving us those. We learned a lot about what you liked. Just give me your favorite things off the top of your head on that Honda Talon 1000R.
I absolutely love the DCT transmission, the fact of not having to worry about a belt. When you want power, you have it right now. Going from two to four-wheel drive with their i4-wheel drive was honestly a game changer. Just generally being able to modify things. The suspension is phenomenal.
My favorite thing was that it was easy to get in and out of. It felt bigger than some other side-by-sides. When we put the storage bags on it, it was nice because it makes it more realistic for like a day trip. It's roomier to get in and out of, I think. Like, you don't have to bend your knees up so much as some of the other side-by-sides that I've been in. I think the stock seats are pretty comfy compared to some other stock seats. I know most people rip them out as soon as they buy them, but those ones weren't bad at all. Those are my favorites.
I think it was really cool that we got to put all those parts on yesterday. And I think you were mentioning some things about how well it fits and how it seemed like all the parts were really thought out. So expand on that a little bit and let us know your thoughts.
It was just really nice once you guys showed us the parts that you were going to put on it and kind of how to install them. It was very straightforward, very easy, and everything bolted right up. I mean, it really seemed like Honda thought it through very well. Everything already had a mounting point, which was nice.
I know one of your favorite things you saw when we rolled out the parts was the tires and wheels. You even commented something about your truck. What do you think about those System 3 setup they sent out?
For one, they're beautiful. I love that burnt bronze color, gold color. They look phenomenal, and those tires worked really well. You know, we were able to do some little bit steeper things and a little bit rockier terrain, and they gripped the whole way.
One of the other things we put into the climb helmets was that cardo system. So talk about how it worked when you guys were sitting side by side in there and how nice it was to be able to communicate. And did it work well for you? Would you, like to try it in different situations, or did it not work so well for you somewhere?
I feel like they worked great for us sitting side by side, and it was kind of nice how we could each listen to our own music but still talk to each other. I think it's a great side by side. It's definitely something that we would be very interested in. The fact that it's an all-around great vehicle. I mean, it's going to be hard to get out of it now until we go looking to buying our own.
Yeah, we got to take it away. That's not very nice of us. Thank you guys for helping us out. We think you guys offer a really unique perspective. That's it for the Honda Talon Real World Test here from Tucson, Arizona. We had a great time, and so did our couple Brent and Haley. We hope you learned some useful info about the new Honda Talon 1000R, and we'll see you next time on Real World Rides.